Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about The Psychology of Money, a book by Morgan Housel that explores the relationship between money and human behavior. In this video, we'll discuss 5 important lessons from the book that can help you improve your financial habits and achieve your financial goals. Lesson 1, focus on your behavior, not just your knowledge. Many people struggle with money not because they lack knowledge, but because they fail to act on what they know. This is why it's important to develop good financial habits and behaviors. For example, setting up automatic savings or investment contributions can help you make progress towards your financial goals, even when you don't feel like it. Lesson 2, avoid the pitfalls of greed and overconfidence. Housel emphasizes the importance of humility and the dangers of overconfidence when it comes to investing and managing money. People who are too confident in their abilities or who focus too much on short-term gains are more likely to make mistakes. Instead, it's important to take a long-term view and avoid the temptation to make impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations in the market. Lesson 3, don't underestimate the power of compound interest. Compound interest can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Housel emphasizes the importance of starting to save and invest early, even if the amounts are small. By taking advantage of compound interest, even small contributions can grow into significant amounts over time. Lesson 4, luck plays a role in financial success. While hard work and good decisions are important for financial success, luck also plays a role. It's important to recognize the role of luck in your own life and not assume that success is solely the result of individual effort. By acknowledging the role of luck, you can avoid the trap of thinking that you're invincible or that your success is guaranteed. Lesson 5, invest in experiences, not just things. Finally, Housel argues that people should focus on spending money on experiences that align with their values and bring long-term happiness. Material possessions may provide short-term gratification, but experiences such as travel or education can provide greater long-term satisfaction. By investing in experiences, you can build a richer and more fulfilling life. So, there you have it, 5 important lessons from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. By focusing on your behavior, avoiding the pitfalls of greed and overconfidence, taking advantage of compound interest, recognizing the role of luck, and investing in experiences, you can improve your financial habits and achieve your financial goals. We hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.